Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today I'm going to show you how to list on eBay. There's always something changing on eBay, and you have to keep updated. Well, this is how to list for 2024. Before you even start your listing, make sure you take a photograph of the item you want to sell, both sides. Now, you're going to go up here where it says, tell us what you're selling. You want to put what you're selling in that spot right there, and then press search. Now, what it's going to do once you put in your item and as much information as you can in your title, it's going to bring you to other items that are similar or have a name that's the same. Now, if it's the same and you want to use that information, you can click on one of those. If it's different, don't. Now, we're going to say, next it's going to show you the condition of your item. I'm going to put new in this instance because the item I'm selling is new. So then they're going to show you, they're going to want you to put in a picture. Press that plus button and put in both of your pictures. There's the title you put in right there. There are my two photos. Press done after you put the two photos in. It will upload them and it would look like that. Now here is what I have so far. My two photos and underneath it, the title. You can change it. There's a button right there on the right that you can click on and you can change your title to whatever you like. Now, because I picked that information that was similar to others, it's going to have all this information already. Or you can put this in yourself. Now, you don't have to put all of it, but put as much as you possibly can, because that's going to be important. Next, you're going to want to go to description. It says, here's the description, here's what it thinks it should start at. Well, I'm going to go in description, and you can write in a description yourself, but now they have something new that they never had before. Use an AI description. So I press that in, and it's a lot more elaborate than something that I would write in. So this is what it says, and hey, I'm going to use that as long as everything was correct in there. You might want to use it because it's probably going to sound better than whatever you're going to write. You can undo it on that button if you don't like it. Then this last line is what I put in because I want to make sure they know, and I want to make sure they see photos, and I want to know where I stored it. So here is the full description, and that is theirs. Now, pricing is next. They're saying do it in an auction, 99 cents, 7-day auction. I don't want to do an auction. I want to do it as a buy it now. Now, they're saying to put it in at $23.96. I don't like to put it in that price. I'll show you what I did after. Then they're going to tell me that I should have a 1 pound, and this is the measurements. I don't really think so. I'm going to change that a little bit. I don't think it has to be a full pound. That would be priority shipping, and that would cost more. Now over here you can see first I'm looking at the buy it now. I changed it to 26. Now 26 because some people are going to watch it. If you want to give them a lower offer, there you can. Here you shows that I changed the shipping to 14 ounce and 12, 12, and 6. A little bit cheaper shipping. So now we'll show you where you are. There you have your two photos. There you have the title that you want. I kind of like that title. It worked out good. And then down here, it'll show you all the information. You want to review all this. Make sure everything's right. Take your time when you're listing. Don't rush. Take your time. Make sure everything is correct. Here is my description. Saw it earlier. It's the one I used from AI. Here is my buy it now price. I do not want to allow offers. You can if you want. Here's what I felt the shipping was more appropriate at. It's a little bit cheaper for the buyer, and it should be fine. I don't have to use a priority box. You need to fill in some of this information. I always do handling 3 days, and I would allow returns because eBay will make you return it if there's something wrong anyway, so you might as well. Here, if you want to donate a portion to charity, I don't feel a need to. So I don't, and then it will tell you that you can now list it for free. Make sure you've read all these privacy notices, and what you're going to do is you're just going to press the blue button, and then your item will go up. So let's take a look at what it looks like. It's now been listed. Here it is. This is what it would look like for somebody who wants to maybe purchase it or bid on it. They're going to tell you one available. If you have more available, you can change that. If we want to revise or edit or anything that you listed, there is some information there. And here, again, the title, all the information, a little bit about me as a seller. Well, this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Now you know how to list an item. So go out there, find something good to sell on eBay, put it up, and you go make yourself some money.